Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my video. My name is Muhammad Rafi Alfiansyah. This my video, we can make this hotspot MikroTik Ethernet. This time we will go into the discussion of how to create a hotspot MikroTik this network using an Ethernet cable. And making a hotspot, there are actually two methods that can be used, namely via cable or wireless and without cable. And this time I will make a lab that uses cable. In the first step, we can log in for the router board. Can select this MAC address, and in the first we can give for IP in router. This my cable to plug in this Ether 2, and first we can add for the address, select this IP and click this address. This menu address we can add for the addressnya. This is for example I make this IP 192.168.10 and 1/24 and this interface to Ether 2. You can apply. Okay, this next step we can make for the IP. Oh yeah, we can connect this internet with wireless. In this wireless for the enable, and select the security profile in add, and this mode we can change of dynamic case. We can all this checklist, and we can add for the password. Okay, we can apply. Okay, this password this password router. We can select this Wi-Fi interface. We can double click this WLAN 1, and this is we can scan and select this interface WLAN 1. We can click connect. Oh sorry, we can start this mistake. We start, we can add for the Wi-Fi this connect, and we can click connect and change for the security profile this profile 1. We can apply. We can wait for the running. Okay, this running. I can apply. Okay, and next step we can select this firewall in select this NAT and add for the general, select this out interface for to WLAN 1 and this action for the masquerade. Can apply. Okay, and we can add for the DNS. We can add this IP Google. Checklist this allow remote request, apply. Okay. And the next step we can use of the DHCP server the system. We can select this IP and select for the DHCP client. This DHCP client this VLAN 1 apply OK, and we can add for the DHCP server and select this DHCP setup, and this is we can change for the Ether 2. This next, all this next, DHCP address space, gateway for DHCP network, this next, address to give out for the next, and then the server, this next, okay. And then if we done for the step by step this before, we can check for the hotspot. We can add this hotspot setup. We can change for the Ether 2, and we can next, we can next, then a server next, and then as we can add for the anything. For example, I make for the DNS server roughly.com. Okay, next is name of local spot user. I'm use for the admin, and password for the user I make for the 1, 2, and 3. Okay, next. And if we done this step by step, and then we can check your this Chrome, select this Chrome, and open for the hotspot. We can try for the DNS name. I make for the roughly.com. Can enter. Okay. If Vio done this, this is actually we then for the done for the success, and we try for the enter. With username I make this admin, and this password I use for the 1, 2, and 3. Connect. Okay, look at this. I'm done for the login, and this web for the success. And then if we network, okay, we can try for the internet. We check for the internet di YouTube. Okay, look at this. This successful, and before we try configuration for the hotspot MikroTik, this use Ethernet. Okay, maybe this all. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.